So this is a Keurig K iced, hot and cold. If you want to make it cold, I like how easy it is to use. So first, this is for the iced one, ice refresher. So you fill it with water, and then you place it in here. Once you close it, it's going to turn on here. And then if you want it iced, you would have your cup ready with ice. You would select here and then how many ounces. So I thought I was gonna be able to fit this one. Obviously I can't because this is 24 ounces. This one is like, you can also do this, but even so the other one wouldn't fit. So what I did instead is that I kept this one with ice, and then I used this cup to fill it up. Once the 12 ounces were filled up, it was actually up to here, so it was really not a lot. Keep in mind that this is pretty much 12 ounces. This is 24 ounces. So I was okay with it because I filled it with ice up to here. After I put the 12 ounces, because first it brews hot, and then it seems like the temperature, it does so that it extracts the most flavor. And then the temperature adjusts to get a little bit colder so that it's not so hot and it doesn't melt all of the ice. So once I brewed it here, I waited for a couple of minutes, then I transferred it to here. It was up to here. I tasted it. It was like too sweet to my taste. So I added about 10 more ounces of water. And after that, it is a little more watery, but I like it. You do not need to add any sugar, at least not to this one. I do like it, especially because I usually use the case lean, and I do the donut coffee every single morning. So I like that now I'm gonna have the choice to do the hot one or to do a nice one. The one thing I don't like is that it does melt my ice. Not all of it, but a lot of it. And if I start drinking it, it doesn't taste as cold. So I did put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and after that it was decent enough to taste. So far so good.
Look at that. Look at that. My daughter sending me stuff. Look at that. Do that. I'm gonna do strong. You can do strong on it, y'all. I'm excited. I already got creamer in there. Creamer I ain't need, but I wanted it. Whatever. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. I love it.
The Keurig is by far my favorite one yet. On top of having the iced coffee and the strong button, the iced coffee is my absolute favorite. But the flashing light for warning and descaling, the water tank in the back, that for me can make roughly 3 12-ounce coffees before the water light flashes. And even better, I can buy coffee grounds and use a reusable K-cup inside Thank you, Keurig, for such an amazing machine. This is my favorite one yet.